Hi everyone, Tracy here with Kokokahn Essential Oils, coming to you today to do a soap-free face cleanser recipe with argan oil and aloe gel. So soap-free face cleansers are really great for dry skin. It's a great way to kind of take the soap dryness of soap out of the mix of your daily skincare routine. So it's a very simple recipe. We're gonna start with, first you're gonna need a 1 ounce glass container preferably. I always like to go with glass, especially for skincare recipes. You're gonna need a funnel, a 1 tablespoon measuring spoon, and then cold pressed or unrefined argan oil, aloe gel, frankincense essential oil, clary sage, and rose geranium essential oils as well. So let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do is add our argan oil into our container. So let's put your funnel into the dish. Oh shoot, that funnel's too big. So I'm gonna grab another funnel here. There we go. And we're gonna measure 1 tablespoon argan oil. And I don't know if you guys can see, but you wanna get like definitely the cold pressed or unrefined argan oil. It'll be like a golden yellow color. Mine's a little chunky right now because I had it in the fridge, so it solidified it just a little bit. So there's our argan oil. Next, we're going to add our essential oils because essential oils are fat soluble, not water soluble. So they're going to auto mix, so to speak, right into the carrier oil. And first, it is 3 drops of frankincense essential oil. I love frankincense in all skincare. It's great, especially great for dry aging skin. Oops, okay, there's our 3 drops of frankincense. And then we're going to do 1 drop of rose geranium. And rose geranium essential oil is a beautiful geranium with kind of a layer of rose in there too. It's really, really pretty. Probably one of my favorite geranium oils. And that was just 1 drop. And then last but not least in the essential oils is going to be our clary sage. And clary sage is just 1 drop as well. All right. So what I like to do before I add my aloe gel is do a little quick auto mix here. So I just put my cap on and stir it around a little bit so those essential oils get mixed into the argan oil well. And then now we're going to put our funnel back in here and measure 1 tablespoon of aloe gel. So this is, kind of a small batch, but this is a great way to see how you like it and make any adjustments if you want to before you go and make a big batch. Then you can double the recipe, triple it, quadruple it, however big you like. So 1 tablespoon of aloe gel. And then to use this, you first just splash some water on your face. Then get a cotton pad, those round makeup pads or cotton pads. By the way, this is a pump cap. You can also do a spray cap if you like. And you'll squirt or spray the soap-free face cleanser that you just made after you shake it, of course, right onto your cotton pad, and then massage it into moist skin. And then I take a washcloth, dampen it, and then wipe off the cleanser. And then after that, I like to use frankincense hydrosol as my toner. Just saying, since we're talking about frankincense so much right now. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like our new recipe and learned something new. You can purchase all of the ingredients that we used here today, including the container, on our website on kokokahn.com. And I will look forward to seeing you guys next time.